As you're working on your project, you're going to want to save as you go. So first time, do a save as, and you can save it in your videos. It's going to save and it'll look like this. This is my entire project with all of my files and whatnot. And save periodically. So when you make a couple changes and add a few different imports of different media and whatnot, be sure you be sure you save periodically through your project. When you are 100% complete with your project and you don't need to make any more changes, you're going to go over here to export, and it usually automatically pulls up YouTube first, so you're going to switch it over to MP4, and the rest of this pretty much stays the same. Hit export, choose where you're going to save it, give it a name, and then you'll hit save, and it's going to take some time to export, so you could leave it and go do something else. I usually leave it and go work on something else on my computer. But once this is complete, your finalized video will be in that file. You saved it, and you'll be able to upload it to Vimeo and then submit on the video submission form. Now, even after you have exported, I'm going to go back to the project. I'm going to go back to edit, where I've been doing all my work. Even after I've completely exported, I'm going to save my work. Even though I'm done and I don't plan to make any more changes, I'm going to save my final overall project, because after you submit this, you may get notes from me that you need to make some changes. So you're going to want to have all of your project files and everything, all the work that you've done, so that you can come in here and make those editing changes instead of having to rebuild the project from scratch. So you'll do a final save after you've done your complete export.